Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Watch Only wallet in Green Bitcoin wallet. A Watch Only wallet is a type of wallet that allows you to monitor Bitcoin transaction and balance without having the ability to spend the fund. It is useful for situations where you want to keep track of your wallet activity without exposing private keys or having spending control. So to create a Watch Only wallet, first launch open the Green Bitcoin wallet application and log in using your credentials. After that, click on your wallet, which is at the top left corner of your screen. There you can see set up a new wallet button. After that, click on get started, and at the bottom of your screen you can find Watch Only button. Click on it, then select Watch Only wallet type. Now you will need to enter public key or provide the Bitcoin address you want to monitor. You can also scan a QR code of a public key or address if available. Give the Watch Only wallet a name for easy identification. After that, tap on create or add to finalize this step. So that is how you can create Watch Only wallet in Green Bitcoin wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.